The world is a vampire sent to drain secret destroyers. Hold you up to the...
Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is gonna be a Pacman frog feeding plus update. This is his setup. Let me get this right. That thing is water dish. Coconut fiber is his setting, and then this is the 1/3 side. This is water dish, and the moss. For heat, he has a heat lamp, and he's just sitting on top of my rack. Gonna be feeding him a few crickets. So, hold on a second, let me get them out. Hold on, guys. Okay. Okay, that's gross. He pissed. But okay, guys, I'm having some problems trying to get him to eat this cricket. There we go. Oh, yeah. This one. Well, that's him. He ate one. He usually doesn't go attack the food as tongue feed him. But, yeah, there's cats on this. And the update is just that, this is the bin I have set up for my big female. It just has a water dish, some plants, and a hide, and shredded acid. I'll be ordering her tomorrow, and they can't ship weekends, so I'll ship probably Monday, and then it should be here on Tuesday. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little crappy video, but peace out.